This is shallot, garlic, habanero pepper, serrano pepper, lime, knife. Okay, cut these up. Okay, you're gonna put those in the cup. And then also carrots in the cup. And cilantro in the cup. Or you gotta roll that lime. Alright, cut it in half. This is lime juice. Gonna put some salt in there. Okay then, wine. Uh-oh. Okay, give it that. Okay, so now you gotta taste it. Okay, so empty out a bottle of hot sauce that's not as good. And then we're gonna put it in there. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Okay, so this stuff is awesome now. You shake it up because it's pretty pulpy. And get a bottle that has a pretty wide mouth so you can get chunks to come out. And it's good with anything with lime juice and cilantro because it tastes a lot like that. Here's some water. Okay, boil that. We're gonna salt it. And then onions. And then celery. Cook for an hour. Alright, so this is shrimp. This is some scissors with a cool curve. So we're going to cut it and peel it like this. Peel it around. All the little legs will come off with the peel. See? Cool. Then this poop vein, gotta take that out. All of it. Cool. Give it a rinse, throw in the colander. Great. Okay, so this water is boiling for an hour, flavorfully. Now we're going to put in the shrimps for 1 minute. Okay, so strain it and then put it in the ice bath. Gotta stop it from cooking. Okay, then you gotta put it in the old Chinese food container. And then put it in the fridge to chill. Here, this is bacon. Okay, lay that out on a pan. On a rack, and then put it in the oven. That's vegetable juice. Gonna put it in the blender. Put in some salt and pepper, and then some horseradish. Then we're gonna do some Worcestershire sauce. Remember this stuff? Gotta do some of that. You may want to let your friends do some of their own. Don't make it too spicy. This is lemon juice. Gotta blend that. That's some celery. Gotta rinse. Okay, this bacon is done. Take that out. Maybe paper towel it. Gotta get some vodka. A little more hot sauce. We gotta do some of this guy. Nice. Now you gotta do one of these. You gotta take one of these guys. Oh yeah. Remember these guys? I'm gonna do a couple of those. Right on there. Oh yeah. That's an oyster. Gotta remember, liver pate. This is a cool cheese plate. Most important part, you gotta share it with your friends. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh jeez. Still good. Still good.
Flop.
Flop. Ooh.